So the agreement of the SDGs last summer in September was a major step, I think, for humanity. We have, from the statistical side, over the last months, has worked very hard to establish the indicators, which obviously are very critical to monitor the success of achieving the SDGs. We now have unique 231 indicators, and now the question is, how can we turn the indicators into policy action at the national level? So here the national statistical offices have a great role to play, and the partnership. Now let me start to talk a little bit about the National Statistical Office and why they are so important in achieving the SDG and in measuring the progress. So in data production, and it's very important to see that the authority lies with the National Statistical Office, which has certain of standard criteria which is producing the data according to the fundamental principles of statistics, so that the citizens can be sure that these data are not faked up. So it's very important that for the SDGs, the National Statistical Office have a lead role to play, but they need to do it in partnerships because they can't do it all alone. The resources are not there, the capacity is not there, and here what is of great help is, first of all, to have a plan, a National Statistical Development Plan. So these National Statistical Development Plans, so-called NSDSs, needs to be updated, modernized, and brought in shape to respond to these new 231 indicators, although not every indicator will be measured. But they have to be measured, and the National Statistical Office has to get ready to do so. So here the partnership can play an important role. One partner is Paris 21, which has been spearheading these NSDSs, but they need to get more partners into from the country level, but also from the regional and international level, to help countries to produce these new NSDSs that will be SDG fit. Now, secondly, on the global partnership, here it can play a very important role. One partner alone cannot do the trick. It's a huge and tremendous effort to make. There is a lot of resource mobilization. The partnership can help with this. There's a lot of mobilization of technical support. There's a lot of mobilization of advocacy, and I think this global partnership is, in terms of convening, bringing those partners together at the different levels, can play a great role. It can facilitate, it can be a matchmaker, it can bring in these public and private sectors. So just to wrap it up, I mean, and to conclude, this SDG agenda is a fantastic opportunity for modernizing national statistical systems, national statistical plans, and the global partnership can play a huge role as a facilitator. The global partnership can help, first of all, with advocacy. This is very important. We need to reach out to all the citizens in this world that still need to convince them that data is very important. The global partnership can help with facilitating a very important program, educational program on data literacy. Data literacy will be a key achievement that we need to do in terms of make the citizens literate to deal with all these new challenges in the new data ecosystem. The global partnership can help to bring different actors together at different levels, from civil society to private sector organizations like mobile phone companies to national statistical offices. Can be sort of facilitator, can be a bridge builder, can be a trust builder between the different agencies and actors. The global partnership can, most importantly, also mobilize resources and can then distribute these resources through its partners so that they can be doing a good job. And they can be also a watchdog. They can look if governments and helping track if governments really deliver on the SDGs, and through better data production can contribute to this.